Hi, and welcome back to a DIY with June. We are using Wool Ease yarn and Ikea throw pillow covers. These are so awesome because they've got a zipper in them and they are less than $4 a piece. I am actually going to be using 2 of those green ones. Anyway, glad that you're here, and we are going to get started on this fun DIY using a loop and then a loop under a loop. Basically what you're doing is you are crocheting a chain, and you're going to just keep doing this until you have it long enough to go the whole way around your pillow cover. The nice part about these pillow covers is that there is an edge right there that you can use your hot glue gun on. Now, you can stitch these if you want to. I am choosing to use hot glue. I'm using the Gorilla Glue, which works great for fabric. Taking the ends, the loops, and looping them together and then gluing it down and securing it is going to finish it off. Next, I have cut my yarn 8 inches long, quite a number of these, and then I will cut them as I go, looping them and putting them through the loop from the crochet chain along the side, the first one that is there, not the second one over, looping it through, making a tassel. I used my crochet hook after a while. I just wanted to show how it can be done without a crochet hook. This is looking just like I wanted it to. I love this. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and check out to make sure everything has been glued down correctly and secure it all. I will take my scissors and cut it as even as possible. Grabbing my dog brush, I am brushing out as much as I can the ends of my tassels to make them fray just a little bit more. This brings on the macrame look. We're going for something softer than macrame. That's the cool thing about this yarn. I love how this is looking. And it put on a pillow, just even plain without anything on it, is actually very attractive in itself. Heading on over to my Cricut, I have chosen these poppies that I'm going to run off on a gold foil. These poppies are so pretty. Next, I'm going to take a pencil and do some drawings of my own. Using my hot glue gun, I'm just going to go along my pencil mark and put a bead of glue. This you want to do pretty quickly so that it doesn't dry on you. Taking your yarn and just going along and laying it down right on your mark. This is making your design stand out so pretty. Taking my yarn and tying a knot and cutting it off, and I believe this was about 4 inches long, not making a tight knot, but just making a knot and then cutting it. And then you're going to take and just fray both of the ends so that you have kind of a little fluff of a bud. It's amazing what you can do with yarn. Next, I'm using my Q17 hook, and I'm going to do a chain of 30. Taking my hot glue gun, I am then going to glue it down at the top of one of my stems, going in a circular motion, creating the center of my flower. Tying me some more of these cute little fluffy knots, I'm going to glue them all around the flower, which is creating the petals for me. Trimming them all off and fluffing them up. I'm loving this. This is so pretty. Next, I'm just continuing on with making my stems. Moving on to my next flower, I had cut myself 6 inches here and tied the knots, and also did the little floof thing. As you can see, it's going to look a little bit different because it's longer. I'm loving how this is looking. Also, I love my thrift shop stuff. I got this bottle of beads from the thrift shop, and I'm going to use those in the center of this flower. Okay, I'll floof that flower up also. I'm loving how this is looking. After I put the pillow cover on my pillow, I discovered that I just really needed to add something else to this. So you're going to see me building a few things on this while it is in the pillow is in the pillow cover. Be sure you check your thrift shops and check out yard sales this summer for string, for yarn, for beads, all those kinds of cool things that you can do on a pillow like this. I hope that I have inspired you to switch up your pillows on your couches or maybe even on your bed. Anyway, give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that little bell so that you'll be notified every week whenever I put up a new video. Also, if you want to see another one of my pillow switchovers, I did a DIY that is upcycling sweaters. So check out my channel on all the videos. I've got some more DIYs and some cooking. And I'll see you in the next video.